So I know last time I welded was 2.7 on this side, so on the left side. So I'll keep it on 2.7, 12.5 volt as a minimum. Yeah, U I think is the current, yeah. And then this I can change, but I'll keep it on 12.5 as a minimum. And now speed is 2.7, I can change it from number 2 to 20, but I'll keep it on 2.7 for now. And then I'll put, inductance was on 0, but now I'm going to change this to -10 to see if it is a softer arc. Okay? What I'm going to do now is to see the test out the inductance settings on -10 versus the weld I did here for plus and minus 0. This is a overlap weld, as you can see here. It's overlapping here. Probably sees a little bit more here. It's overlapping. But I'm flipping on this side to see if I get a wetter weld, because I still remember this basic setting. Okay? Yeah. See if it's any different from my regular inductance 0. Okay? I think it does come a little softer though. Okay. Yeah. It does come a little softer though. Yeah. It's not all that straight, but I'll brush it up and have a look. Well, the 2.7 certainly didn't bring any, didn't burn any holes like last time. Okay, it looks like, although it doesn't really feel like a straight line, but it does really well, pretty nicely though. I don't think it burned any holes. Just let me have a closer look, okay? You can see it when I'm turning it. So probably there is no hose. Turn around. Oh, okay. On the back side there is some penetration, but not a whole line there. So yeah, this is on the back. I got these penetration. And these, not the whole line though. Okay, so it's okay, I guess. Not as good of penetration as I would like to have, but it certainly welds on this side without burning any holes. Unlike this, I'll show you. Unlike these, I burnt so many holes here. You can see it. There are holes in there, right? Also, you can see it on this side. I can poke through here. Yeah, there's quite a few holes in there. Yeah, like this, I can go through it pretty easily. And here too. Yeah.